African Americans, it's not enough just to clean house. We should do more, especially when our kids are watching us. I'll show you how to transform key spaces using Black-owned products while adding those special touches that reflect us. And with that, let's get started. Hey family, welcome back to Mommy Room Redo, the channel that celebrates our homes, our culture, and our creativity, one soulful space at a time. In this video, we're focusing on a few areas that can make a big difference in how your home functions day to day. Your pantry, your linen closet, your spice cabinet, and your refrigerator. I'll show you the changes I made, what made the biggest impact, and which Black-owned products you can integrate to shift your space from just clean to something that feels soulfully you. Now, let's talk about my pantry. Truth be told, I had no idea how out of control it had gotten until I saw it on camera. And baby, yikes! It was dark, overcrowded, food was expired, and there were things I had no intention of ever eating. Plus, I couldn't find anything. So I just started from scratch. I cleared everything out, tossed expired items, replaced the shelving, updated the lighting, added a chalkboard so that I could track things that needed to be restocked. Then I put everything back. But this time, it was intentional. The dry goods went into containers. I added Lazy Susans so I could actually access what I use regularly. Now, I'm just giving you highlights because I already did 2 videos that will walk you through step by step how I made this happen. And I love it. My pantry went from something I was embarrassed about to something people actually admire. But here's what I would do differently now. First, the cleaning products I used. They should have been Black-owned. So, consider Pure Home. It's plant-based, effective, and safe. Now let's talk about those containers. Yes, you can grab them from Amazon or Walmart, but if you're reusing containers that you already have, check out John Treese Robinson on Facebook. She's been creating custom pantry labels since 2020, and it gives your space that polished, intentional feel. And don't stop at how you store your food. Look at what you're actually buying. There are so many Black-owned food products. You can find them on Amazon or check out myblackpantry.com. It's an online grocery shopping center. You can click here to look at the various categories. Search for products. Let's put in rice. You can see all the rice-based products that are Black-owned. If you want to shop, click there. And it has a list of product categories, or you may choose to just scroll through. Certainly explore myblackpantry.com to see if you can select any food products that are Black-owned. Now that is how you add some soul. So let's stop at my fridge. And baby, it was a lot going on. Expired food, overcrowding, spills, just no system. So I put my son Miles in charge of this redo. He cleared everything out, tossed what didn't need to be there, and swiped it from top to bottom with Coca-Cola. Yep, that was the hack. And listen, it worked. It's not just about cleaning. It's about creating a system. Clear bins so I can actually see what I have. Glass containers to to keep things fresh, and designated spaces so everything has a home. And here's the thing. This is another opportunity to be intentional with what we bring in our homes. So, if you're looking for more non-toxic, lifestyle-centered options, check out the website Black and Green. It's a site where everything is curated with that kind of living in mind. That's what this is about. Not just cleaning, but setting up your space to support you. Now let's talk about this spice cabinet. This is one of those small spaces that make a big difference because you're here all the time. And before, this could easily turn into clutter real quick. But now, everything is visible, everything has a place, and I don't have to dig through 15 bottles just to find what I need. If you're restocking your spice cabinet, this is a great time to support Black-owned brands like the Spice Suite, a DC-based Black woman-owned spice company that's all about flavor, culture, and really making your kitchen feel like you. It's a simple shift, but it makes a difference. All right, so let me show you my linen closet. Now this right here, it changed everything for me because a linen closet isn't just about storage. It's a place that I touch every single day. My towels, my sheets, and once this space feels calm, everything else follows. And that's when I realized it's not just about cleaning, it's about maintaining a feeling. Something as simple as switching to dryer balls instead of heavy chemical dryer sheets helps keep that fresh, soft, elevated feeling going. And if I were stocking this linen closet today, I would start with these two Black-owned products, True Detergent as well as Loo-Hoo Wool Dryer Balls. Create the vibe. Here's the thing, you can clean your whole house and the energy can still be off. So reset your space by adding flowers and bringing in something like Harlem Candle Company, because it's not just about how your home looks, it's about how it feels when you're in it. All right, so which of these products will you be incorporating into your spring refresh? Let us know down in the comments. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. As a Redo Room Essentials member, you'll get early access to videos, member-only posts, and behind-the-scenes moments. And if you upgrade to Redo Room Prime, you'll get monthly Black decor hit lists, deeper dives, and content I don't share publicly. No pressure, just an option. Before we go, here's your soft life moment reminder today. Spring isn't just about refreshing your home. It's about refreshing your spirit too. Open the windows, let the sunlight in, bring home a few flowers. Create a space that feels peaceful when you walk through the door, because sometimes the soft life is simply a home that lets us breathe.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.